Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and in this today's video we are going to understand about how to create a throttling conveyor. Okay, so I'll explain this, but before that you just have a look at this, that how it functions is. So basically the parts are going to accumulate onto the conveyor, and whenever output per hour rate drops, we are going to have this as a throttling conveyor. So the objective of this problem statement is to apply cycle time to the conveyor whenever our output per hour is greater than 100, and whenever our output per hour of this conveyor, like the throughput rate of the conveyor, drops below 100, then we should have a conveyor having speed as 0. So it will act as a throttling conveyor. It will allow all the parts to go ahead. So let us understand how to create this logic. So I'll just reset this. So I'll just tell you the whole principle of this logic. See, what is to be required is that we want this conveyor to release the parts, as I mentioned, when the throughput is less than 100. But how could you make this in simulation environment is all about how you think about creating logic. Okay, so what we do is, onto the station the cycle time applied is 50 seconds, okay, for per part, and we are calculating this at this decision point. Basically it is a basic dashboard of throughput per hour, where you could see we have used dp1. Now what we are using is, this is a script very important for this, which I am now going to open, which will help us understand that how this throttling conveyor logic works. Okay, I'll just make this aside. So what is basically happening is, so now the 50 cycle time will be applied to this part, and everything will be waiting till that part comes. So I'll just run this faster. Now the second part comes, and he checks it. Oh, my throughput is now 44, and you can see it here as well. It's very important in this tutorial to understand that how you're gonna reference, the same value in your calculations, and that was the major challenge in this tutorial, which you can see. You can get the value of your state graph, output throughput graph per hour, reference that, apply logic accordingly, change the cycle time on the conveyor, and make this conveyor as throttling conveyor. I hope you like this tutorial. Do not forget to post your questions. Visit our website leansimcorp.com. Let us meet in another real life industry problem. Till then, keep watching Leansimcorp.